Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss offset command in Revit. So how to use the offset command, see. So here I have drawn one architecture layout, okay. Here we have created the wall, door, window, everything. Now suppose I want to create one more, suppose inside this layout I want to create bedroom, okay. So I want to offset this wall or this wall, whatever. So what you can do, come here in modify tab, modify panel. Here you can see the offset icon is shown, or you can use the shortcut also O enter, okay. So how to use, see, first of all you can hit on this offset command first, otherwise first you can select the object also as per your requirement. So see, suppose I want to offset this wall here 15 feet here, okay. So I'm selecting this wall, hit on this wall. Now modify tab, modify panel. From here you have to select the offset command, or you can use the shortcut also O, okay. Now when you select the offset, you can see here in option bar you will get the option graphical, numerical. Two option is given. Suppose I want to offset numerically. First of all, see how to use the numerical. Check numerical. Now see, in offset how much you want to offset this wall, or 15 feet or 12 feet, whatever. So I want to offset 15 feet, so just write down 15 feet. Here you have to write down 15 feet. Now select the element or select the wall which you want to offset. So this wall I want to offset, select this wall, left click. Now see, here if you want to check it how much we have given the offset value, you can see internal it is showing 14, but when you come from this point to this point it is showing 15 feet 8 inch, but we have offset from this point to this point, so it is 15 feet, okay. In this way you can check it. Now same way, now again I want to offset this wall also. So what you can do, uh, first of all select the wall which you want to offset like this. Now hit on offset. From here select the numerical, how much you want to offset. Suppose 12 feet, so I have given. Now select the wall which you want to offset like this, see. Now from here you don't want this, up to here only you want, okay. In this way you can use the offset command, okay. Now come here again, press the Ctrl Z. Now I want to show you the graphical method how to use it. So first of all, suppose if you want to offset this wall 15 feet here, so select that wall which you want to offset. From here you have to, or otherwise what you can do, don't need to select the wall, directly you can go offset command, just hit on. From here you have to select the graphical, okay. When you have selected graphical, so what you have to do, now just select the wall which you want to offset. So I want to offset this wall, so I have selected this wall. After that select the reference point. Suppose this point I have taken the reference point. Now I want to offset, so what, then offset it manually at required distance what you want. So suppose I want to offset up to 15 feet, so just take it and then left click. Now see, the wall is offset. So manually also you can do it like this, okay. Same way here also, select it, hit on offset, graphical, select the wall which you want to offset, hit on that wall. Now select the reference point from here and manually you have to offset. Suppose you want to offset up to 15 feet, okay. Okay, but see, the problem is what, here we have placed the window, so wall is coming in the window, that is why here it is written insert conflict with joint wall, okay. So what you can do, just little bit take here. In this way you can use it, the offset command. One more thing which I want to show you, just press the Ctrl Z, okay. Now suppose I want to offset this wall, so what we are doing, first come here in offset command. See, I'm using the numerical only, okay. I want to offset 15 feet, but here you can see one more option is given, copy. So what we are doing, when you offset the wall, automatically wall is copying also. Now suppose if you don't want to copy this wall, you want to move this wall here 15 feet, okay. So uncheck this, select this wall, automatically that wall will move here now 15 feet, because here you have unchecked copy, Okay, so in this way we have to use the offset command in Revit. I hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in next one.